Ayan, nagpunta kami kay Kevin sa town. Nagbili ng Spanish bread. Show the Spanish bread, mami. Ayan yung Spanish bread niya. So, pupunta na ako sa trabaho, guys. We're going to work na. Ayan. So, maglit muna dito sa sentro. Ay, pinili. Dito pala yung ano niya. Nila ka ba yan? You see? There. Yung church. What church is this?
I don't know.
Uh-huh.
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah, I don't know.
An old church, yes.
But I see this church doesn't happen.
All the time you come here. With Cyrus.
No, only me. Because some days is not in school.
Huh?
Some days Cyrus is not in school.
Yeah.
And I come here instead.
Ayan.
So it's morning here.
Ito, ganito ang mga churches dito. Ang ganda. Ayan naman. Quickly. Ayan, guys. Punta na tayo sa trabaho. Come on. Quickly. Hub car. Wala akong naintindihan. Meron pa. Have another church here. Oh.
This one I know.
You know this?
Yeah. This one I go use for school.
Ano? Galo. Ayan. So guys, tapos it's yung isang church. Magkabilaan sila. Yan guys, going to work na. Going to work na. Napaaga pumunta dito. Si ate. Ganito ang Cyprus old style. What is the Spanish bread, Kevin? Ayan ako, kumain siya ng Spanish bread. Sure. You like it? Gusto niya yung Spanish bread. Trabaho na naman, guys. Going to work. Again, Sunday. It's Sunday, pero trabaho. That is life. Life must go on. Diba? Kahit Sunday trabaho, yung iba hindi. Ganun talaga. Be patient, ika nga. If you don't have patience, you don't have life.